Hi, my name's Taylor, and today I will be showing you TC payments powered by Dwolla and the various tools and features built into TenantCloud. How to access TC payments powered by Dwolla. TC payments powered by Dwolla is a free way to send and receive funds to or from other TenantCloud users like service pros, owners, tenants via ACH for free. To access your Dwolla account settings, select Settings button in the top right corner. Next, select Online Payments, and then click View Settings under the section titled Dwolla, or TC Payments. Once you are inside of your Dwolla section, you will see two tabs at the top. By default, you will land on the page for the first tab. On this tab, titled Payments, you will have two sections. The first section is TC Payments Balance. This is the section that all incoming payments will be sent if you do not have any bank accounts set up and assigned to properties. If you have funds being held here, you can withdraw them from your TC balance to your bank account via the Transfer to Bank button. If you wish to add funds to this balance, you can do so via the Add to Balance button. You can also set the Auto Withdraw option up here if you wish to automatically withdraw funds from your TC balance out to your bank account. Next is Transfers. This is where you will see all transactions that have been processed via Dwolla. This section includes money in, money out, cancel transactions, and any other transactions initiated via Dwolla. You can learn more about each transaction by clicking Details on the line item that you wish to review. On the second tab at the top of the page titled Bank Accounts, you will find additional sections. First, the main bank account. This is the operating account for a property management company or the default account for a DIY landlord. If you are not a property management company, then setting up this account is all that you will need to do. Next is the deposit bank account for property management companies that are required to separate tenant liabilities like deposits and prepaid rent from other funds. The property bank accounts are for property management companies that separate rent in and out accounts from their operating bank account. This account allows all rent and other property owner-based transactions to go to a specific account separate from the company's business operating account. Once created, you can assign these bank account properties to specific properties in the section at the bottom of the page titled Bank Accounts Linked to the Properties. The bank accounts linked to the properties is where you can link bank accounts to your properties for funds to go directly to the assigned bank account. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to deactivate the account. Selecting this button will deactivate your Dwolla account. You can reactivate it later if you want. And that is Dwolla in a nutshell. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.